Chucky decided he wanted to branch out a little bit. He was like, you know what?
Live to air in 10 seconds.
All right, everybody, 10 seconds for keeping it lively. We're gonna leave here alive tonight, right?
3.
Okay. All right, give me some.
Filmed in front of a live studio audience at Halloween Horror Nights, welcome to Late Night with Chucky!
Hello and welcome, everybody. How you doing tonight? No. I'm gonna need you to be a lot louder than that for our start tonight, so I'm gonna ask you again. How y'all doing tonight? Late Night with Chucky. It is obvious you are here for one reason alone. He has survived countless spin-offs, series, reboots, and he always manages to come back for more. He is a pint-sized terror out to prove that size doesn't matter. Please put your hands together for Chucky! Oh, you'll feel it later.
Make a late night entrance. Let me hear some noise! Alright. Why, hello, Maddie.
Oh, hi, Chucky. You seem to be in good spirits tonight.
I am. I got in a solid kill a few moments ago.
Yeah, we heard.
It was a real pick-me-up.
Oh, well, it's because of your little pick-me-up that we need to change the format of tonight's show. We're going to be taking questions from the audience due to that unfortunate accident that happened with our guest.
Not unfortunate for me. For me, it was riveting.
Oh, yeah.
But enough of this boring back and forth banter, Matt.
Yes.
I want to hear some of these dum-dums questions.
Oh, okay. Let's just go with this. All right, here's one. It is from your secret admirer.
Holla. How'd you get so cute?
Well, actually, that reminds me, what is your skincare routine?
Well, that's two different questions.
Okay.
How I got so cute was I transferred my soul into a doll. Believe it or not, I wasn't born looking like this. My skincare routine, a little bit of cocoa butter.
Oh, okay, that's really good, yeah. All right, we've got one here from Kim. In the movie of your life, what celebrity would play you?
Hey, Kim. How you doing, sweetheart? Me? I think it's pretty obvious, Matt. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
Yeah, I can see that very connection. All right, Juanito wants to know, do you have a deep connection with somebody?
Juanito. I could have a deep connection with you, Juanito. But you'll have to stand in line, because right now, my eyes are on Maddie.
Oh, okay. Andrew wants, I really like this one. Andrew wants to know, kiss, kill, marry, the nun, Megan, and Annabelle.
Whoa. Well, thank you, my friend, for your interest in my sex life. Well, I'm definitely gonna kill Megan. And then I'll probably kill the nun too, because that's a twofer, so that's sacrilegious. And I'll kill the last one too.
That's really how the game is played.
Oh, that's how the game is played now, Matt.
Okay, that's
Wanna
pretty
play?
good. All right, Noel wants to know, what is your height, Chucky?
Noel, nice to meet you. 29 inches.
Oh, your height is 29 inches.
Oh, height. Same thing.
Moving on. All right. Amanda wants to know, what is your favorite musical?
Amanda. Probably Cats.
Cats?
Yeah.
Do you like cats?
Not particularly.
Oh, okay.
But they really killed that musical.
Oh yeah, I get the, yeah. Killed it.
Good.
Yes, all right. Who is your favorite Baywatch babe?
Oh, David Hasselhoff.
David Hasselhoff is your favorite Baywatch babe.
He has the voice of an angel.
That's true. That is true.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. All right. Okay, here's one, because this feels pretty good, right? Okay. What is your favorite weapon?
A knife.
A knife, I do.
A true classic never goes out of style. But these dum-dums don't want to hear about it, nah. You want to see it. Am I right?
No, Chucky, no. Soul can only cover one body at night, and
You
we are
guys
two. No.
want to see a killing demonstration.
Am I-
Am
Our producer is in my ear, and she's saying you cannot do that, so no. No.
Our producer is starting to annoy me. Dead as a doormat. You know what happens when I get annoyed.
Oh, that is a red wash. That never ends well.
Oh, it ends well for me. Thank you, dummies, for coming to talk about me. Don't forget to watch Chucky, streaming on Peacock.
Is this a promo?
You bet your ass it is. This has been Late Night with Chucky. Signing off.